Good morning. This is the second example problem I have for stoichiometry practice problems. I'm going to do this one in the sketch pad just so you can see it both ways. So in this problem, we are looking for how many grams of oxygen will be needed to make 3 grams of water in the following reaction. Same reaction we used as last time. So let's go over to the sketch pad and work this one out. That's old stuff. So we have our reaction. H2 plus O2 creates H2O, and to make it balanced, we have to do 2 and 2. And we are looking for the grams of O2. That's what we're trying to get to. And we are coming from grams of H2O. Okay, so that means our path has got to be grams of H2O. Then we're going to have to get that to moles of H2O. And we're going to convert substances. So then moles of O2. And then we can go to grams of O2. So this is just kind of our path. So let's set up our gigantic fraction. We know that we are starting off with 3 grams of H2O. And then I know the molar mass is our conversion from grams to moles of any substance. And the molar mass of water is 1 oxygen, so that's 16, plus 2 hydrogens, so that's 18 grams of H2O, is the same thing as 1 mole of H2O. Great. So now I can cancel my grams of H2O. That's gone, and I'm left with moles of H2O. Now we've done this step. So now we're going to do this step, moles of H2O to moles of oxygen. If I look at my reaction, I know that for every 1 mole of oxygen gas, I get 2 moles of H2O. So 2 moles of H2O comes from 1 mole of oxygen gas. So now we've converted that. And my moles H2O cancel. Now I'm left with moles of oxygen, but I want it to be grams. So now I've got to go from 1 mole of oxygen is how many grams of oxygen? Again, this is my molar mass, which 2 oxygen atoms, 2 times 16 is 32 grams. If I plug this into the calculator, I would do 3 times 32 divided by 18 times 2, which is going to give me a value of 2.66 repeating grams of oxygen gas. Okay. Hopefully this has been helpful. I've got one more video to go to help us out.